This is an overview of how the canoe went from a paper design to a wooden design. And the shapes had to be drawn on this graph paper. And you can see little ticks ever so often. And certain little marker lines. Anyway, this is station 1, and it's half of the wooden station. If we took it and laid it up there, you'd see it lays out exactly. And I just drew it on there and then cut it very nicely. So that's 1. Then 2 gets a little bit tighter, and you can see that the tumble home is starting. Number 3, the tumble home is pronounced. Number 4, less. Number 5, toward the front of the boat. Number 6, and number 8, that's the very end of the boat. And this is, see, that's the stem. Let's take that. So this is how I made that. This is a clamping form. It's got a stopper so that any wood, which I steam bent, fits in there. But it was originally designed like that, so that once the wooden is steamed and pliable and bendable, then I put it in this, and then I get my final shape.